Hi, welcome to my training room, and today I'm going to try taking on a little project here of painting this little logging truck. It's a 3D resin cast truck. I bought a number of vehicles. You've probably seen them on my earlier videos. Bought them on an Etsy store run by a guy named, I think it's Adam Lister. He's got a 3D printing project and has a really pretty impressive variety of vehicles for sale, and he's got an Etsy store that I bought them from, and so far I've been happy with everything I've gotten from him. I did do a little bit of preliminary test painting on one of them, and this was just a little bit of blue paint, black paint, painted it right on the clear resin casting. But what I think I'm going to do with this one is I've got to clean up a little bit of extra little bits that come from 3D printing that are on here. Just kind of clean a few burrs off of it, and then I think I'm going to prime the thing and see how that works. Try it with some gray primer. I think I have some in the garage. I'm just going to try spraying it just to give it a better coat for my other paint to stick to. So we'll see how this works out. I haven't tried it before, so we'll see, because I've got a little logging scene up at the top. So I've got this, and I've got a whole somewhere in here. I've got another box of various vehicles that I ordered a second order from them that I've opened it and just quickly looked at it, but that's it. And there's some more logging trailers and a boat and things like that in there. So hopefully I can get some more kind of interesting vehicles on the layout by doing this. So this is going to be a little bit of a painting project, and let's see how it goes. So I got the logging truck painted, and I'm happy with how it turned out. It's not perfect, but as a first attempt, it's not bad. We'll need a few little details touched up on it. I want to maybe put a little bit of orange on the marker lights on the cab at the top, but I've ordered some more model paint because I didn't have some of the colors I wanted. So I also need to do some weathering on it, but I won't do that right now. I will set it aside, and then when I'm doing some weathering on some train cars or other vehicles, I can do it all at the same time with the airbrush rather than try to get the airbrush set up and get it all dirty just to do one thing like this. Anyway, that came from Adam Lister's 3D printing project, model railroad printing project, budget printing project, something like that. He has an Etsy store. I checked it again yesterday after I had recorded the earlier part of the video, and he currently doesn't have anything listed on there because I think it's just a one-man operation, and occasionally he takes a break or he gets backlogged or whatever. But if he does show up, if he does post anything more in his Etsy store, feel comfortable ordering from him. I've ordered stuff a couple of times. It took quite a while to get it because he basically prints to order, is my understanding. So it took some time before he sent it. But once I got them, no problem, very well packaged, and I have no complaints with the products I got. So yeah, this is the first one that I've actually made a real effort at painting, and I learned some things from it, and I know I can do better on the next one. So yeah, it was a fun little project, and now I am going to get to something else that I have started on this morning, and that is, after I built this cabinet for storage, I decided that having storage incorporated into my bench work was probably not a bad idea. So what I've decided to do is build a drawer in here that will come out. And because when the drawer comes out, I can still access the wiring underneath, so it's not a big deal. And at the other end of the room, I'm going to do the same kind of thing, put a couple of drawers in there. For storing, at this end, I can store some of my modeling tools and supplies, things like that, spare parts, whatever. At the other end, I want to use it for storing some of my audio and camera equipment, which is currently sitting in bags on the floor or in a glass front display cabinet here, but it's kind of, yeah, it's just occupying this glass front display cabinet because I need a good place to put it so that it's not getting dirty. Whereas I have other models and things I'd like to put in that glass cabinet. So if I can create some good secure storage that's easily accessible down there for my camera equipment, my lights, my LED lights, my displays, my LCD displays and things like that. So that's kind of what I'm going to be working on this afternoon. Waiting for some drawer glides to come in that I ordered. They're supposed to be coming in this afternoon along with the model paint. So that's what my project is for the rest of today. So hopefully I'll get another video soon up about that. And for now, well, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.